know what you want in a relationship, sometimes it's helpful to think about what you want in life. So, for example, if you see life involving marriage and kids, that would mean something different that you're looking for in a relationship compared to if you, say, wanted a life that included travel and lots of adventure, for example. Not that you can't have adventure and kids together, but it is important to think about your own life priorities and then think about how that's going to fit in with a relationship. Another thing to think about when you're thinking about what you want in a relationship is sometimes your own needs. So, for example, if you have sexual needs, some people are really high on the physical contact. Some people are really high on the emotional contact, and they really need to, say, talk a lot about their feelings and have a partner that's going to do the same. A book I like is The Five Love Languages by Gary Chapman. So to make sure, if you're looking for somebody that's going to be a great provider and give you a life of security, that's going to, maybe be different from somebody who says that they have other needs in life and they don't care so much about that, but they just want someone who has a lot of time available and who's always going to be there for them.